Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our backup camera in an Audi A5 that it came with the 3G MMI with navigation. We use our trunk handle mount backup camera. So car came with navigation with external MMI, and by going to reverse, the camera shifts to the screen shifts to backup camera, and you can see it comes with dynamic parking guideline, and if the car comes with backup sensors, it retains the sensors too. And by going to drive, the screen shifts to factory screen again. If you're interested to get this type of backup cameras, you can simply click on the link below and you can buy them online, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294 and we can book your appointment for installation. Thank you and have a great day.